Mary Will I Die, Chapter 1, page 10. I'm starting after the sentence that ends in the glass. So I'm going to start with a shadow. A shadow dancing in the reflection, swaying gently back and forth. She could have sworn she heard a low purr, a triumphant giggle. But then her mother shouted again, and Alina forgot the vision. She slammed the door and raced down the stairs. When she caught up to everyone else, her mother wore a panicked look, but she couldn't seem to find the words to explain her dismay. "Mom, what's wrong?" Alina asked, her heart suddenly racing, thumping in her ears. "Is it Dad? Is he okay?" "He's fine." Alina relaxed for a second. But Grace, Alina's mom, turned to the girl crouching in front of her. "Now listen, sweetie. Everything's going to be okay. But your mom, she's been in a car accident. She got hurt pretty bad." Grace didn't move, her round eyes suddenly dead. Her hands fell to her side, slapping against her legs. Steph's mouth dropped open and Calvin collapsed in on himself, biting his lip as he stared at the ground, clearly shaken. "But they got her to the hospital," Alina's mom rushed to reassure the girl. "And your dad's on his way to pick you up now. She's going to be okay, you'll see. You just have to have faith." "Faith won't help her now." Alina startled as the thought popped into her head. Okay, I'm going to go back to that italicized word. Faith won't help her now. Alina startled as the thought popped into her head. She looked over her shoulder as if she'd seen someone whispering into her ear. But there was no one there. As Grace started to weep softly and the winds continued to blow outside, Alina couldn't help thinking back to that face she'd seen in the mirror, to Henry, and she couldn't help wondering if he really was her soulmate.